experience is that I waited for.
Oh my goodness, yes, I just got my first dose.
For 15 minutes, I didn't feel. Hey there YouTube, the lady Tneja Umoto. Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for clicking. Guys, if you're new to my channel, hit the button below and subscribe. If you're my fan, of course you know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, leave a sweet comment below, share the video, and of course don't forget to turn on your notification so you know the next time I'm popping another video. Guys, today's video is very scary to me. The reason being, I am going to get my first shot. COVID-19 shot. So today is my first day I'm going there. So I'm so nervous. I'm so scared. I'm not nervous about the shot, but I am nervous about the reaction after the shot because they say that some people might react well with the shot and some people might not. I don't know. I may be the person who reacts bad with the shot. So I wanted you guys to come along with me. At least you can cheer me out. Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's get that COVID-19 shot. Come on, let's go.
And this is your first dose?
Yes. Oh wow, guys, look. Oh my goodness, guys, I just got my first dose of COVID. Oh my goodness. They have a paper here, so they told me to wait 15 minutes so that they know if I don't have any reaction. I can see. So let's go around this room. They have high tech there. Let me see. Let me go. Let me go. I look for. Oh well, guys, the makeup is here. Let me show you. I don't know about this makeup remover here. They have CoverGirl Maybelline. Layer here. Well guys, I think it's been 15 minutes now. I didn't have any reaction, so I'm free and ready to go. Let's go home now.
Oh well guys, I am so done with my COVID, my first dose. So far my experience after the first dose, guys, I'm driving. So far the shot was not that bad, you know, was not that bad. You feel a little bit stink as I can call it, and they tell you after the shot you wait for 15 minutes. They see if there's any reactions before you can even start going. So I took a shot. I went there. I did registration first. You have to show your ID, you know, so that they know you know, you're at real age. But at the same time, you have to do it online first. You have to set an appointment online. So I went ahead and set an appointment online, and then they gave me the date and the time. Then I had to show up there, and then they were very kindly, very friendly, you know. So I'm used to getting shots. So but for this one, I was so skeptical and then so scared. But you know what? I went ahead and got it. So far, my experience is that I waited for 15 minutes. I didn't feel anything, and no dizziness, no nothing. So I went ahead and drove home. So I'm driving home right now so that I can go have my breakfast or lunch, my lunch. And yeah, that was my experience. So guys, if you have not gotten your shot yet, you better go ahead and set your appointment and show up. It's not painful, it's nothing there. So go ahead and encourage each and everyone who wants to get the shot, the COVID shot. Please go ahead and get it. And thank you so much for coming with me along to get my COVID shot. And oh well, so when I go home, I'm just gonna, you know, they said 15 minutes, but I'm just gonna wait the first day, second day, you know, entire week to see if I have any reactions, if I feel anything. So I'm going to update you if there's any reactions, how I feel, you know. Just let me go home and have a rest. And thank you so much for coming with me to have this experience.